What's up, boys? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a few days since my last post, but today we're gonna go over I'm just gonna show you how to install some Handle It grips onto your pistol. In this case, I got a Glock 45. Oh, oops, sorry. I got a Glock 45 here, and I'm gonna show you. I've had a bunch of these over the past few years. I'm always taking them off, putting them on, and I decided I want to try out this Edge series. Let me show you what it looks like. So this is kind of the texture. It's not sandpaper, but it's not rubber. It's kind of like, I don't know how to explain it. It's the Edge series. It's kind of like plasticky feeling sandpaper. You can kind of hear it. So yeah, I'm gonna show you how I apply them. So let's get all the stuff out. Got the backstrap here, and this part, and these little ones, they go on the side right here. I normally don't apply these, so these kind of just sit in the bag. So what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to take your alcohol swab that comes in the bag, and you kind of just want to swab the area where you're going to be applying at. So kind of just take it like that all around. Make sure what this does is it just gets the oils off of your pistol from your hands and any sort of debris that's on there. I usually keep my pistol pretty clean. I'm OCD about cleaning my guns, so I just like to get that nice and wet. I like to take a microfiber towel and just kind of rub off any excess mildew or residue that's on there. So there we go. Now, I'm gonna put it on with the light and the slide on. A lot of people like to take it off, but it's not a huge deal for me. So what you want to do is you want to get your thing here and kind of peel it off. If I can get it off here. There we go. There we go. Okay, sorry about that. So kind of just peel it off, and it comes off in one peel, just like that. And sometimes it likes to snag and it'll rip a little bit, like this piece right here is being a little bastard. There we go. So now this is the sticky side. So what I like to do is I like to match up the little Glock logo right here. Matches up with this hole right here. So what I'll do is I'll kind of position it onto the gun perfectly onto the Glock logo, and then I will kind of adjust from there. So as you can see, it's kind of leaning over right here on this part. So what that tells me is I just need to lower it down just a little bit. So I'll go right there. That looks good. And then I'll kind of press down, just get it to stick a little bit. See how it's like real perfect right there. And then what you want to do is you want to take the other side and kind of position. I like to position it right here where the slide stop would be. So like right there. Boom. Press down. It's kind of hanging off right here, so I'm gonna peel it up again, kind of lay it down, and there we go. Boom. Now the good thing about these grips is you can cut off any excess that hangs over or anything like that. So that looks good to me right there, but it's kind of off balance. So there, boom, 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 just like that. So as you can see, there's kind of a little bit extra right here and up right here, but I'm gonna take you through on how to fix that in just a sec. So what I like to do is I like to press down, make sure that it's all in contact with the pistol, and then for this next part, this is my heat gun. I got this from Harbor Freight just for basically Handle It Grips. So get your heat gun. I like to do one side at a time. Get it nice and heat up. You don't need a lot of heat, especially with these. So if you overheat it, you'll melt it. So be sure not to overheat it. And you kind of just want to press down. I like to do it in sections. So then I'll move to this part right here. Press down. Make sure there's no, oops, sorry about that. So make sure there's no spots that are not pushed down. And do the last side here. Just grab it, just put it everywhere right here. And then press down. I like to kind of get it in my hand like this and kind of make contact everywhere around it. Boom, there we go. Now, let's give it a quick blow. Now, take our backstrap piece and we're gonna lay that down now. Go. I don't like peeling these things, dude. This is so annoying. You guys are watching me make a fool of it right now. So that, and then there we go. Okay, so the hole here, you want to match it up with the hole, obviously, on the back strap. So I like to match it up like that. Kind of press down the side and then kind of line it up right here as well. Boom. I'm really not doing this that well, so sorry guys. Boom, boom, just like that. Now, sometimes there will be a little bit of overlap, but that's okay. Like I said earlier in the video, you can trim this however you want, whatever makes sense to you. So like right now, these are not always cut perfectly, but that's what the trimming's for. Boom, so there we go. That's on there. Heat it up again. Kind of just mush it down. When you heat it up, you can kind of spread it out. Make sure it's touching each side like that. Boom. There we go. Let me know what you guys think. That's how you apply Handle It Grips. Let it cool down. Sometimes what I'll do is I'll give it one more rundown with the heat gun. And then kind of just grab around it. Things like that. So, boom, there it is. Handle It Grips Edge Series. That's how you apply them. Well, that's how I do it. So, boom. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Like and subscribe. I love you guys. Say it back.